as credit reporting agencies update their records periodically. Another myth is that closing old credit accounts will boost your score. In reality, closing old accounts can shorten your credit history and reduce your overall available credit, which may negatively affect your score. It's generally better to keep older accounts open, even if you're not using them, as they help improve the length of your credit history and contribute to a lower credit utilization rate. Some people believe that only professionals can repair credit effectively, but this is not true. You can dispute errors on your credit report, negotiate with creditors, and adopt responsible financial habits, such as making timely payments and keeping credit utilization low on your own. By understanding the truth about credit repair, you empower yourself to take control of your financial future and improve your credit score.